Sir, another question po. Sir, tungkol po sa impeachment at
For
saka
you,
sa
there.
ICC.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, sir. Could emerging details from the ICC proceedings be used as factual basis in an impeachment complaint against BP Sara?
I don't think so. Because crimes against humanity is not one of the 7 charges filed against the Vice President. That has already been received by the Senate, and that cannot be changed anymore at this time. At least not until we approve the rules and or not until we send summons. Nagmamadali ang House, di ba? Nagpadala na raw yung summons, di ba? Yun ang gusto nila last week. So sa palagay ko, wala na silang balak na baguhin pa ito. At hindi kasama ang crimes against humanity sa impeachment complaint laban sa ating Vice President.